Small bathrooms sometimes can feel very cheap or dark or like they're stuck in the 80s or the 90s. We had a flat, ugly mirror in this bathroom with no frame, but TetoTE sent out this mirror for us to check out and to review, and I could not be happier. So it has that nice black frame, which has a modern farmhouse look to it. It came perfectly packaged. There was no damages, and it also has a nice plastic cover to keep that mirror part nice and clean without scratches. I love how thin this is. Like, it doesn't jut out from the wall, so it has that nice sleek appearance. The back has the two areas where you can hang it, and it also came with these screws, including those drywall screws. So this is made with tempered glass, which prevents the fog buildup, which is actually really nice. Now, we had not finished renovating our bathroom yet, so please disregard the mismatched paint that was behind the other mirror. But as you can see, it looks so nice. It's very simple, but yet it brings a whole different vibe to the bathroom.